Good day everyone, my name is John Mark Manggal. So, the topic assigned to report is Traffic Impact Assessment. Introduction. A Traffic Impact Assessment (TIA) is a technical examination of traffic problems and safety concerns associated with a given development. The primary goal of the TIA study is to determine if a certain development project will have an influence on the safety and efficiency of surrounding roadways. Furthermore, the study set the path for further research and development of traffic management measures to assist reduce traffic congestion. The TIE takes into account not just traffic impacts like road networks, efficiency, and safety, but also the effects of road users including public transportation users, pedestrians, and cyclists. The TIA takes into account both operational and physical impacts on transportation infrastructure. So, a traffic impact focuses the technical examination, traffic problems like yung mga pedestrian lanes na natin, in-improve nila yun dahil ito yung mga importante na mga yung mga dinadaanan ng tao like pedestrian and cyclists. What is Traffic Impact Assessment? Traffic Impact Assessment or TIE is a power tool for engineers and planners to determine the possible effects of project on the transportation and traffic system. So bakit siya tinatawag na powerful tool for engineers and planners? Dahil possible ang effects ng project ng transportation ay nakasalalay dito. Kaya importante talaga ang Traffic Impact Assessment dito sa atin. Traffic Impact Assessment. So, the assessment should identify detailed improvements. So, in-improve talaga yung ating yung detailed ng basta and cost associated with the development. On-site issues include the number of location of driveways, parking needs, layout, circulation, bicycle and pedestrian facilities, truck access and operations, transit and safety. So, dinidevelop talaga at in-improve yung mga driveways na parkings, circulation ng bicycle, pedestrian facilities and truck access and safety. The main purpose of traffic assessment and impact assessment is planning and decision-making tools used to assess the potential positive and negative effect of proposed projects. Impact assessment considered a wide range of factors and propose measures to mitigate project adverse effect. So, ang main purpose talaga daw ng impact assessment, ito yung planning and decision making sa potential ng project. So, yun. The importance of traffic impact assessment. TIE is a important tool used to determine the transportation impacts of a proposed land development project. It identifies the need for any improvement to a transportation system to reduce congestion, maintain and improve safety, and provide site access and impact mitigation associated with the project. So describe dito yung important ng traffic impact assessment sa ating sa transportasyon para ma-reduce ang congestion, to improve safety and provide access and impact mitigation. Why is it important to conduct traffic impact assessment? So bakit siya important? Dahil it's can help to ensure that the proposed development is compatible with the existing and planned transport system. Like for example, enhance the accessibility and mobility of the development site and its surroundings. So, in-enhance niyo yung accessibility and mobility ng development. Next is improve the safety and comfort of all road users, especially pedestrian and cyclists. So, in-improve yung safety and comfort sa mga road users kagaya ng pedestrian and cyclists, di ba? Sa pedestrian, ang dumadaan lang mo yung mga tao lang na naglalakad, di ba? Cyclist, di ba? Sa example, sa highways, di ba? Yung cyclist, yung mga nagbibisikleta, di ba? Sa ano lang yun? Sa kilid ng daan. Dapat hindi pwede yung mga sasakyan o mga motorista na dadaan doon kasi para naman yun sa mga nagbibisikleta. Next is to reduce environmental and social impacts of traffic such as noise, air pollution, and congestion. So, importante talaga siya para ma-reduce yung traffic impact. So, optimize the use of land and resources of transport infrastructure. So, ini-optimize niya yung transport natin. So, kaya siya importante. Next, the techniques used in impact assessment is typically carried out through a systematic and structured process which include the following case steps. First is scoping, defining the boundaries and objectives of the assessment. Next is baseline data collection, gathering data on the existing condition and the affected areas. What makes a good impact assessment? So, bakit siya good sa ating bakit good quality yung data? Good quality data are essential to good impact evaluation. So, the evaluation design must be clear on the sources of data and realistic about how long it will take to collect and analyze primary data. The time required for an impact evaluation depends on whether primary data collection is involved. Site-generated traffic. Determine the impact of proposed development. It is necessary to estimate the trip generation of the development and identify how to distribute the generated traffic to the area roadway network. The four-step transportation model should be followed. First is trip generation. Second, trip distribution, mode slip, and trip assignment out. So the TIA should present a trip generation information as an organized manner of information such as land use and size, ITE code, daily and peak hour, trip rates, number of vehicles. Trips generated should be identified and presented in tabular form as suggestion in table 1 below. So this is a table which shows the sample table for the ITE trip generation rates and trips. Alam naman siguro natin ito. So, pass by trips is a portion of development generate trips taken from the background traffic, and it is unlikely for a site's pass by traffic to represent the majority adjacent roadways traffic for commercial retail development. Pass-by trips need to be presented as a strip attracted from traffic passing by on an adjacent roadway. So bypass trips daw, ito yung portion ng development generated. Link trips are trips with one common point of origin and multiple destinations points. It can occur between different land uses along the travel route or between different land use within the same development. With trip between multiple land use make use of adjacent roadways network, there may be an increase in the number of trips entering an existing a specific driveway, as one driveway may serve two or more separate trips. Trip distribution. Trip distribution can be estimated by using methods such as the analog method, gravity model method, surrogate data method, origin destination method, and etc. More details on these methods can be found in ITE transportation impact analysis for site development. So, trip distribution is using a method for site development. Mode split. Mode split maybe not need to be considered when a development involves other modes of travel. The ITE trip generation manual primarily uses data collecting, representing mostly auto usage. Trip assignment. Trip assignment is involved assigning a projected development traffic to a specific access point and travel routes along the roadways network. The trip assignment process establishes the turning and route movement at each access point, intersection, and roadway segment within the study area. Suggested traffic layouts. Arranging traffic projections in chronological order and presenting them in table similar to table 2 below, and turning movement diagram in clear and concise manner will be assist the department in the review process depending on the complexity of the study. More or fewer traffic projection may be required if the development is being completed in phases. Treat each phase as an independent development and project future traffic as if the next phase will not occur. So this is the table 2, the sample table for traffic calculation. So may mga meaning tong AADT, ABL, yan. May mga meaning to. So, nakalimutan ko lang ilagay. So, ito yung formula na for traffic calculation. Yung Q is equal to T times V. So, makikita nyo, ito yung fundamental diagram of traffic flows. Kita nyo naman. So using this calculation or using this formula to define the traffic flow. Principle of traffic engineering. The scope of traffic engineering encompasses various aspects related to the management and control of traffic flow. Some key principles within the scope of traffic engineering include traffic planning, traffic analysis, traffic signal design and timing, and roadways design. Regulatory controls are the type of traffic engineering control that regulates the movements of vehicles to keep things running smoothly through the transportation system. Stop signs are placed at intersections to indicate that drivers must come to a complete stop before proceeding. Traffic signals are one of the most recognizable traffic controls devices. They are used red, yellow, and green lights to regulate the right of way at intersections. So, traffic signals, ito talaga yung mga importante. Mga nilalagay sa mga highway yung sa crossing. Diba may mga traffic signals dyan? May mga meaning yung mga color like red, yellow, and green. So, meaning ng red, full stop. Yellow is warning. Green is go. Mga stop sign na nakalagay doon sa sa mga highway. So speed limits are the set of regulated vehicle speeds on different types of roadways. They're established based on factors such as road design, traffic condition, and safety consideration. So, di lahat ng mga dinadaanan nating highway ay may mga speed limit. Yung iba, kagaya ng mga tulay, di ba? May maximum lang na speed limit. Kahit yung tulay ay example, may iba, di ba? Yun ang purpose ng speed limit. Hindi lahat ng dadaanan natin. Lane controls include lane markings, arrows, and signs that guide drivers on the appropriate use of line. Lane controls, markings, yung mga arrow sa lokasyon. Warning controls, including sign, pavement markings, flashing beacons, and variable message sign, are crucial for effectively communicating hazards and providing timely information to drivers. Warning controls, kaya yung mga landslide, di ba? Mga caution, ganyan sa mga highway natin. Road safety. A variety of reasons, according to Philippine National Police, contribute to the growing trend in road accidents. Human mistakes such as irresponsible driving, intoxicated driving, and poor overtaking is the most prevalent reason. Based on the aforementioned factors, it is reasonable to believe that vehicular accident might be avoided. Below are the enumerated ways to be able to avoid vehicular accidents. All drivers should be well served in our laws, norms, and regulations. Governing ground transportation, they must be willing to share the road with other motorists. They should grasp not just their rights and benefits as licensed drivers, but also their obligations and responsibilities. Most significantly, they should understand the fundamentals of defensive driving system. They will invariably face road users who are careless, uneducated, arrogant, or highly non-compliant with traffic regulation. Drivers should establish a habit of checking their blowback before hitting the road, especially on the length drives, to minimize road accident caused by the mechanical failure. Blowback is the acronym that stands for the battery lights, oil, water brakes, and air gas don't start wearing. Now it is important to remember that an ounce of prevention is worth of a pound of treatment. So, importante talaga yung road safety natin. No? Kailangan kapag bago kayo babiyahe, chine-check yung sasakyan nyo para hindi ka-failure sa daan. Isa yan kasi sa mga aksidente. So the government should adopt a variety of actions to address the rising concerns about the road safety. An excellent place to start will be stringent and consistent enforcement of traffic rules, especially those pertaining to drunk driving, seatbelt use, overloading, speed restriction, and the use of standard motorcycle helmets and kid restraints. So, ang ating government na nagkakandak talaga ng proper and safety proper and safety ng mga drivers, mga nagdadrive ng mga sasakyan, motor. Kailangan may proper talaga dyan. So priority should be given when increased police visibility in accident-prone locations, or better yet, given increased police visibility, the verification of road conditions that pose a threat to both vehicles and pedestrians, projects such as installing speed limiters in PUPS dashcams in private cars, and CCTVs in key areas should be carried out. Sidewalk should be free of vendors of all times. Inside streets should be free of legally parked cars, vehicles that fail to roadworthiness inspection should be seized immediately. Bicycle and motorbikes lanes as well as footpaths for footbridges would be included into the new highways. Prior to the issue of a driver's license, new drivers should be required to complete road safety instruction. Every substandard project should hold road contractors, authorities, and urban planners responsible. Coordinate should be maintained between among the local government entities to ensure that their respective road safety initiatives and policies are in sync. Finally, the government should create and maintain a comprehensive road crash database system that includes the information such as statistics on road mishaps in the various parts of the country, the types of ages of victims, position patterns, the type of vehicles involved, the time of days the accident occurred, and the types of collision. The database system will be help in the government's corrective steps as a part of each initiative to make our roads safer for both commuters and pedestrians. So that's the end of my report. Thank you.